Welcome to our channel, your daily destination for top-notch insights. Are you in pursuit of the ultimate vocal clarity? Look no further. Our expert team is here to guide you through the world of sound with the best microphones for vocals. From studio sessions to live performances, we've got you covered. Join us every day as we unpack a diverse range of products to help you make informed choices. Ready to raise your voice? Smash that subscribe button and never miss a beat. Number 1. AKG Pro Audio C4-1442. A high sensitivity combined with a wide array of adjustable settings make the AKG C4-1442 one of the most versatile microphones on the market today. If you have more to spend and want to get the most bang for your buck, a more versatile condenser microphone like the AKG C4-1442 is a foolproof option that will perform well in almost every situation. The C4-1442 has an SPL limit of 158 decibels and an extended frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, making it a great all-rounder microphone for vocals, guitars, drums, and just about anything else you can throw at it. The sound of the C4-1442 is modeled after AKG's legendary C12, one of the most used studio condensers in music history, and it has a relatively neutral frequency response with a smooth top end that shines not only on vocals but on drum overheads, orchestral instruments, acoustic guitars, and more. Number 2. Blue Yeti X. The all-in-one design of the Blue Yeti X makes it extremely appealing for streaming use, portable use, and other minimalist recording setups. Blue is one of the best-known manufacturers of studio mics, and the company's Yeti X, like its older brother, the original Blue Yeti microphone, is arguably one of the most well-known USB condenser microphones on the market. Like most USB microphones, the Yeti X acts as its own computer audio interface and preamp, functioning with a single USB cable and requiring no extra gear beyond a laptop and a pair of headphones. The Yeti X is a condenser microphone that uses an array of 4 capsules to capture sound and can change the pattern of sound it captures via a knob on the rear. A multifunction knob on the front allows for adjustment of input gain, headphone volume, and signal blend, and it's surrounded by 11 LEDs that offer a visual indication of audio level and overloads. Number 3. Shure SM7B. Found in recording studios and broadcast environments worldwide, the Shure SM7B is a durable mic that captures smooth, natural vocal sound. The Shure SM7B is a storied dynamic microphone that features a yoke mount, a rugged housing, and an internal shock mount that keep mechanical noise from handling and adjusting to a minimum. An extra thick removable windscreen also helps keep vocals pure and unhindered by noise in close talk applications. Built by Shure engineers as a souped-up version of their popular SM58 vocal mic, the SM7B features extended low-end response and 2 rear switches for bass cut and mid-boost EQ adjustments. The included onboard EQ is a great way to tailor the microphone sound on the fly and work with various voices, as well as musical instruments like electric guitars and bass drums. Thanks to its ability to deliver highly consistent vocal sounds in even the most undesirable acoustic spaces, the SM7B is one of the best vocal microphones for podcasters, streamers, and other content creators who want a reliable and predictable microphone to rely upon. Number 4. Neumann TLM102. The portable Neumann TLM102 packs a robust and detailed sound rivaling that of much larger condenser microphones. The Neumann TLM102 is one of the best microphones for vocals overall. A large diaphragm condenser microphone that shares a lineage with the Neumann U87 and some of the most legendary microphones in music history, the TLM102's design offers detailed audio reproduction and smooth high-end response in a relatively small package. While the TLM102 has a frequency response and sound pressure level limit that makes it suitable for capturing even louder musical sources like a drum kit or electric guitar, it boasts a high-frequency boost beginning around 6 kHz that's ideal for capturing the natural presence of the human voice. Its cardioid, or heart-shaped, pickup pattern limits the microphone's sound sensitivity to the front and sides, and the design has an integrated pop screen for quick setup and pristine vocal recording. Number 5. Audio-Technica M8000. A counterpoint to the more expensive and sensitive studio condenser designs available, the Audio-Technica M8000 is a durable, affordable vocal microphone optimized for handheld use. Similar in design and frequency response to the Shure SM58, the Audio-Technica M8000 is a lightweight dynamic microphone that uses a moving coil to capture sound and has a relatively high SPL of 145 decibels. It has a hypercardioid pickup pattern for incredibly focused sensitivity and good rejection of outside sound. Its full frequency response ranges 50 Hz to 14 kHz, with small bumps around 2.5 kHz and 10 kHz that aid in enhancing vocal presence. A no-frills design and durable construction make the M8000 great for live and rehearsal sessions, as well as all-around studio use, especially when you're on a budget. Apart from being a vocal go-to, it's also suitable for some high-volume applications like close miking of drums and guitar amps.